a Zen Trade Game production.
In the shadowy corners of our minds, there's a realm where ancient secrets dwell. It's the collective unconscious, a concept introduced by the psychologist Carl Jung. This mysterious aspect of our psyche is a universal database of human experiences filled with symbols and archetypes that we all share. Picture an ancient library, vast and silent, where the wisdom of ages is stored. These are not personal memories, but rather the echoes of humanity's past. It's here, in this subconscious archive, that our deepest instincts and shared cultural themes reside. Our journey through life is subtly guided by this inner compass, steering us through the fog of the unknown. It's like a psychic DNA connecting us to every human who has ever lived. And as we delve on this channel into the collective unconscious, we uncover the threads that bind us all, revealing the blueprint of our souls. It's a story of connection, of unity, of the shared human experience. If you like this video, then you'll really love the next one. Peace.
Help support the channel. Buy Zen Trade Game merch.